Welcome back to the Lure Launchers YouTube channel. Today we're lure fishing on some coastal spots, hoping to catch some bass. We'll be covering everything from tackle to marks to conditions. Hopefully this video is helpful, so let's get going.
We need to get down there by going down here.
Very slippery.
Let's go. How you doing there, Harry? Yeah, I mean, that floor is sketchy. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my rod, reel and lures and things like that. I'm using a Shimano Stradic 2500 loaded with, I think it's like 16-pound Daiwa J-braid. I've got, don't know how well you can see that, Savage Gear Salt CCS. It's 8 for 6, 7 to 28 grams. I've got about 3 foot of fluorocarbon leader. Going to my lure now, I've got just like a white shallow diving lure. Try and pick up some bass just through like the little rocks. The area we are fishing in is like this. It's like rocky, very shallow. Yeah, so hopefully we can pick up a nice bass.
I'm using a 20 to 60 gram casting rod, very heavy duty, but should be good to get my lures sent out far, out the back, try and bring them in through the fish hopefully. I've got 14-pound braid on here, moving all the way down to some 20-pound mono leader there, attached to a Momo shallow diving lure. Very nice action, good colours, shines in the sunlight. Hopefully get a bass on it, a nice bass will do. Let's get into it. So Logan just having some flicks out now on the reef. I think I'm gonna head over there by the rocks and cast along where that man on the kayak is. Cast towards that rock over there. See if there's anything hiding over there, maybe eating some bait fish, but we'll have a look. We've moved Mark a little bit, just down from where we were fishing. It's absolutely beautiful here. You can see, very deep ledge, and because we're quite far out, the rock's taking us, we're in the middle of the bay. I'm gonna put on a big surf seeker, send her out right out far, let her sink to the bottom and just jig it really hard. Hopefully, we pick up a nice bass or a pollock.
Getting little nibbles. There's some little corkwing wrasse down there, nibbling at my bait. Don't know if you can see him on the camera there, look. We're gonna make the long old trek to the estuary to hopefully get some little bass down there, and in the evening get some bigger ones.
Very long walk though.
Yeah, we gotta walk. I think it's like 4 miles.
So guys, we've moved Mark to an estuary because we don't have much luck on the coast. So same setup really. I've just changed my lure to white Savage Gear Sand Eel, although it's a bit dirty now, and I've gone straight braid this time, but white Savage Gear Sand Eel. Hopefully it can perform. We've had a lot of luck on this lure in the past. Very good at night time as it's really bright, although this is a bit dirty like I said, but hopefully we have some more luck and we'll get into it.